What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. As you can see, we are in a supercar. We're in a Mclaren 720S. Beautiful Mclaren 720S. Look at that. And it's yellow. It's a convertible. This shit is sick. And right now we're about to go photo shoot this beautiful machine up in Angeles Crest Highway. But this car is such an attention grabber, guys. Everybody's looking. It's crazy. It's a yellow freaking Mclaren 720S. Ooh. This thing is freaking fast, guys. I'm trying to figure out the way where you can make the screen come down. You can make that dash like turn flat. But I don't know what a McLaren, so I don't know how you change that. But I have it in the track settings. Everything is on track. And this thing is beautiful. Look at all the carbon fiber up there. All the carbon around the door. This thing is sick, yo. As you guys saw in a couple of vlogs ago, we drove a McLaren 570S, but now we're driving the 720S. Look at that. What's dope too, steering wheel's different. Carbon paddles, everything's like a dry carbon too. It's pretty sick. You can shift, you can upshift and downshift from one paddle. Or if I want to do it on this side, like check this out. This is the negative, but let's say I'm third gear. All you got to do is push that way and it'll upshift for you. And then if you go this way, then it's going to downshift for you. Anyways, I'll show the car once we get to Angeles Crest. It's a nice day. It's cloudy outside, so I figured canyons, yellow, it's going to be nice. I feel like a Huracan, McLaren. Nick could be in the R8. I know he wants the R8. Oh my gosh, dude. Bro, this thing is mean. But yeah, everything is like dry carbon here in the interior. The exterior has gloss carbon mirror caps, carbon fiber mirror caps and gloss. But as you can see, all of the interior is just dry carbon. But yeah, guys, there's a way to make this screen come down. I just don't know how you do it. This car is ridiculously fast. But we have finally made it to Angeles Crest. That's what I'm looking for. I like cloudy weather. I like shooting in cloudy weather. I don't like shooting in sunlight. It's too harsh on the car. Too harsh on the subject. But dude, this thing sounds crazy. I can just imagine it, this car with tune and downpipe. It's gonna be ridiculous. I'll give you guys a little POV. See, what's dope is that I can give you guys the POV and I don't gotta put my hand over here on this because I could just upshift and downshift from one paddle. Woo. Oh my. Guys, this car feels planted. It literally feels planted, like I'm not going anywhere. Oh my gosh, dude. It's insane. There's no way. This does not feel real, guys. It handles, turns like crazy. I can just imagine what the 765 LT must feel like. This feels ridiculous. Holy crap, dude. Wow. I literally feel like I'm in a video game. This is crazy, yo. Need these cars to move out of the way. Wow, look at the views too. I think on camera it looks orange, but it's yellow. Oh my gosh, bro. There's no way this car handles like that. I'm impressed how the way this thing is handling. Like I'm literally not going anywhere. No body roll, no nothing, bro. This thing is just planted to the ground. It's not going anywhere. Come on, brother. Sheesh, Rich. I'm sad. I'm in a freaking McLaren 720S and we can't go fast. Sounds so good though. Oh my gosh, dude. I need to bring people with me on these photo shoots so you guys can experience the cars that I get to drive. It's freaking amazing. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Freaking sick ass McLaren 720S, yellow. It's got some black, as you can see, accents around. Oh my gosh, dude. This thing is so freaking sick. You got carbon, look at that. Gloss carbon mirror caps. Got like this custom wrap here on the door. Going through around the car, like through here. Look at the interior. The seats, black with the yellow stitching, yellow seat belts. That's pretty sick, I like that. As you can see, you got yellow stitching everywhere throughout the car. You got the 720S badge right there. So freaking nice. Got the wing. Just look at the rear end on this thing. Oh my gosh, bro. That is insane. Woo. That's beautiful. Look, closing the doors like this. And then if you guys want to open it, push that little lever up. And that will give you the access to open the door. Also guys, look at all the forged carbon. Check that out. That's crazy. All along down through there. It's crazy how the aerodynamics are in this freaking car. It's sick. All right guys, so I found how you can flip the screen. It's actually here on the left side. As you can see, that button right there. So check this out. You press that, look what's gonna happen to the screen. Oh my gosh, bro, that's fire. Look at that. That's sick. So now it's just, dude, that is awesome. If you guys wanted to see some photos, I'll throw them at the end of the video. So stay tuned for the end of the video. As you guys know, I only shoot bangers. I only take banger photos. And you guys should know that by now. If you guys don't follow my photography page, go follow my photography page. I'll throw it right here on the screen. Go follow me. Check out some of the sick ass pictures that I take and some of the crazy ass cars that I get to take pictures of and have the opportunity to drive and stuff like that. So guys, we are now in the BMW X7. I mean X7. Huh?
You would have count on your fingers.
As you can see, we picked up the homie Nick.
Do you have the address?
Nikon and the X7. What happened to the M8? G, where's the M8?
Done. Roast toast.
Damn.
M8 dead.
You know what? I should enter that clip that you sent me of your M8 doing a burnout.
I got
burnout.
instant karma. I did that burnout because you piece of shits didn't come. Fuck both of you, bro.
Nick, I don't know why Nick didn't come.
You.
I couldn't.
I was pissed, so I kept holding it to red line.
He was gonna blow his own motor, bro.
Nick,
that's how pissed he was.
Nick, you don't even know the video, bro.
Anyways, we're going to a car meet very, very far away. Again,
Nick, probably
like over an hour away. But damn, look at how nice this X7 is. Look at this. Wait, can you change the color on these?
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. No way, bro. Hold it real quick. It's falling.
Bro, you know, fat ass burnout.
Oh, I smoked the
This fool
street out.
smoked the whole place out, bro.
Yeah,
That's crazy. How did your motor not blow?
The coolant blew up.
The coolant tank blew though.
Dude,
You can't see shit.
the tire flying off.
This is a clean G82. Frozen white? Damn. I like that plate too. The big M logo on it. That's pretty sick. This is a nice G82 frozen white. We got an M6 secure orange. Damn, that's pretty nice. You do not see an M6 secure orange. It's pretty hard to find this color here, but it's very nice. We got the E63S. Damn. Is this wrapped or paint? It's wrapped for sure, huh? Which is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, that's fire. That's a nice E36 M3 Estoril Blue. I guess the homie Sam got pulled over. Yup, there's Sam. Gee.
I ain't even home for like 7.
He put the window up.
Oh, this guy hates me. This guy hates me. That guy, I fucked up that cop the other day.
Really?
Yeah.
The other
I know, he literally, he's like, I was like, I'm just testing out in the car. He's like, oh, I know where your shop is.
It's all good. What you do, Tracy?
Oh, Kevin is here.
Oh, I know that guy. He's famous.
Who's gonna arrest me?
Damn, bro.
Yeah. Why? So in the X4M, bro? I was gonna
Look at that guy's behind the scenes
He
stuff.
pulled me over and wanted to pop the hood. I wouldn't let him pop the hood.
You went late?
Yeah, I wouldn't let him pop the hood because I didn't want the homie to get state refed.
No way.
And he still state refed us without popping the hood.
Oh my god, bro. Look at all the food.
I don't even know what it is.
Beef, chicken, rice, wings, pizza. Bro, that's ridiculous. One more.
We got the same exact one, bro.
That's sick.
Damn, same
shit's hard.
time.
Dude, I saw. I was like, no fucking way. That shit.
Damn, look at the BMW bike though. That's clean. We got a G80 Brooklyn Gray. Okay, my favorite wheels on the G80. It's very nice. We got an M2. And this M2 single turboed as well.
Hey, no looking, G.
Huh?
No looking over here, G.
Let me see, babe.
No.
Watch out.
It's my
Move.
vlog, G.
Move, babe. Uh-oh, what is that right there, G? Crazy.